PSLE is coming. Can you solve this 2020 PSLE math question? And the question goes, a roll of tape has stars and hearts printed in a repeated pattern. Mabel cuts a piece of tape from the roll. In that piece, there are 135 stars. Find the possible numbers of hearts in that piece of tape. So in this case over here, we know there are repeating shapes that forms a pattern. That means the concept is called repeating pattern concept. So, first thing first is, how do I spot a pattern? Very good question. So, the first thing is you want to spot the first shape, which in this case are stars. So, if you can't find the pattern from these stars, no worries. Then the next thing is we want to group the first and second shape and spot them. So, if you still can't find the pattern, then I think you probably can guess. We will group the first, second, and third shape. Since the last two shapes of this is two stars, we will just cancel them. But if you still can't find the pattern, then we can move on to grouping the first, second, third, fourth and spot them. Since we are very close and we still can't find the pattern, I think you know what's next, right? So we group the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth and spot them. And we could see that the pattern is found. So that's how you spot the pattern. The next thing is we want to group them. So this is what I call the repeating group. So let's say there are three stars shapes appears three times in the pattern. So one, two, and three. So what's the most number of heart shape that appears? In this case, pretty straightforward. Two hearts. So we can say three stars, we will show two hearts. What about another group, right? Let's say there are six star shapes, right? Oh, sorry. Okay, so let me test you again. Let's say the star shape appears six times in the pattern. Can you guess what's the most number of heart shapes that will appear? So if you guess four hearts, then you're right. So in this case, if you have four, five, and six stars, then the third and fourth hearts appear. So six stars will give us four hearts. Okay, let's, maybe ask this question. What happens if the star shape appears nine times? What is the most number of heart shapes? So if you guess five, you're wrong. The answer is six hearts. Okay, so if I were to show you, we have 7, 8, and 9 stars, then 5 and 6 hearts will appear. So 9 stars is equal to 6 hearts. I think from here, you could see a pattern, right? So in this case, 3 stars is 2 hearts, 6 stars is 4 hearts, and 9 stars are 6 hearts. So how do we get the first one, 3 stars to get 2 hearts? So if you were to guess, it's basically just 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 2, and this will give us 2 hearts. For the 6, we will just have 6 divided by 3 multiplied by 2, and this will give us 4 hearts. For 9 stars, it will be 9 divided by 3 times 2, that will give us 6 hearts. So, since we know the equation to find the number of hearts from the number of stars, we can find the most number of hearts when there are 135 stars. So 135 stars is basically 135 divided by 3 times 2. And that gives us 90 hearts. And that's how you solve this 2020 PSLE math question.